Arrive in style with this 2014 Hyundai Elantra Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, front and rear anti-roll bars, electric power assist, speed sensing steering, single stainless steel exhaust, clear coat paint, light tinted glass, fully galvanized steel panels, trunk rear cargo access, power rear windows and 5-person seating capacity. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.